Hey, today we're going to talk about everyone's favorite subject, public speaking. Yeah, right, I know. Making a speech is always difficult, but I've got some tips here that'll make it easy for you. And if you're into land use and leadership, clubs, this will save your day. We have to have time and the energy to make speeches now and then. I'm going to give you 4 tips that have been proven over and over on making public speaking a lot less painful. And I have a blog on it. I'll post it here in a minute, but one of the things I'm not afraid to do is use note cards. I suggest the same for you. To get over the fear of public speaking, the first thing we need to do is accept the nerves. Yes, you're going to be nervous. We're going to put those nervous twitches and energies to good use. The second thing is to practice. Find a good mirror, get in front of it, have your speech ready, and practice in front of that mirror, or practice in front of a friend, a significant other. Get a real live audience to practice on a couple of times until you have your points ready to drive home. The third thing is, don't be afraid to use note cards. I'm not saying script your speech. Don't read. There's exceptions, but generally don't read to your audience. But if you want to use a note card, and I place my thumb on the note card about where I'm at in my speech, and it says use note cards. Don't be afraid to do that. Sometimes I'll actually use a clipboard. Put my note card on there. That's okay. Put it on the podium. Put it in front of your board of supervisors, whatever. Refer to them as you need to. The fourth thing is to follow the rule of 3. And that is, tell them what you're going to tell them, and tell them what you told them. That rule of 3 is it never goes wrong. You start out by saying, hi, I'm Del Albright. Today we're going to talk about how to give a speech. And I'll give you 4 tips. So I just told you what I'm going to tell you. Then I blah, 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 go through my 4 tips. Then at the end, I tell you what I told you. Tell them what you told them. All right, today, as you know, we've talked about the 4 tips to getting past the fear of giving a speech, accepting the nerves, practicing, using note cards, and following the rules of 3. If you have any questions, I'll be here for a while. Be sure and speak up. There you go. Tips and tricks for giving a speech. Now, I've got a whole bunch more information on my blog, but that essentially is how I get past the hundreds of speeches I've had to give. You can do the same. If it means saving a trail, or keeping our sport alive, or your favorite cause in front of the city council, the county supervisors, whatever, politicians, learn how to give a basic speech. Make your key points. And if you're ever in front of the press and they ask a question, answer the question and stop talking. And you'll read about that on my blog. They're always looking for a loophole. So learn more about it on my blog and help me out here. Subscribe. I've got a whole bunch of more videos coming out. So until next time, hope to see you on the trail.